Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Paladin Wireless is a company that offers affordable wireless plans with excellent coverage. Their website, found at www.paladinwireless.com, is a valuable resource for learning more about their offerings. They pride themselves on delivering a reliable and cost-effective service, aiming to provide customers with the best possible value for their money. One of the standout features of Paladin Wireless is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They strive to ensure a seamless and positive experience for all their users. Exploring their website provides a wealth of information about their various plans, coverage maps, and frequently asked questions. You can easily compare the different options available and choose the plan that best suits your individual needs and budget. Paladin Wireless is dedicated to offering flexible and competitive plans to meet the demands of today's mobile users. They understand that everyone's communication needs are different, and they work to accommodate a wide range of usage patterns. By visiting their website, you can delve deeper into the specifics of each plan, enabling you to make an informed decision. Furthermore, Paladin Wireless emphasizes transparency in their pricing and services. There are no hidden fees or complicated contracts, making it easy to understand what you're paying for. This commitment to clarity builds trust and confidence with their customers. In addition to providing affordable plans, Paladin Wireless also boasts comprehensive coverage. They strive to ensure that their customers can stay connected wherever they go. Their website features detailed coverage maps, allowing you to see the extent of their network and verify coverage in your area. For those seeking a budget-friendly wireless option without compromising quality, Paladin Wireless is certainly worth considering. Their user-friendly website at www.paladinwireless.com makes it simple to explore their plans, check coverage, and sign up for service. Don't hesitate to visit their website and discover how Paladin Wireless can fulfill your wireless communication needs. They are a company dedicated to providing value, reliability, and excellent customer service.